Do you want to live in Burnaby South for under $700,000? This is my latest listing at 408 7727 Royal Oak Avenue. This property features a 2-bed, 2-bath, corner unit on the highest floor with an unobstructed water and city view. Hey, I got the keys. Let's go check out the building. Let's go. The home shows beautifully with a sleek and modern design, making it ideal for those who appreciate both style and functions. The bright and large windows allow natural lights to flood through the home. Whether you're relaxing indoor or enjoying the outdoor, this condo is the perfect place to call home. Now step outside with me to this expansive wraparound balcony where you can unwind and enjoy the evening of beautiful sunset. Now, don't miss the opportunity to view this rare home. Book your private showing today and call me at 604-338-5562. My name is Anton Nguyen, your Vancouver real estate agent.